Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your bank account in Spendee. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up Spendee. And once you're in here, go ahead over to Wallets, or you could go ahead over to the More section right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it, tap on Bank Accounts and e-wallets, okay? And in here, just tap on Connect Account or e-wallet. Tap on it. Now in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and select the region or country where the bank account is available. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a Philippine card. All right, as you can see here, we have here Philippines. I'm going to tap on it. Once your country is selected, all the available banks of that specific country will be listed in here. Now, let's say, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and select Capital One. If you can't find your bank right here, just type it down in the search bar. For example, Capital One, just like so. Tap on it, wait for it to load. And before you can add a bank, by the way, okay, make sure that you have the paid plan. All right. So once you're in here in this page, what you're going to do is just go ahead and add in your phone number. And once done, hit on continue. And what you're going to do next is just follow the simple prompts from here. Tap on continue to log in and log in with your Capital One account. Now there are some cases, okay, instead of logging in, it will ask you for your card number. So just go ahead and enter your card number, and it will also need your CVC or CVV. Just to follow simple prompts, and once done, there will be a save button. Okay, just tap on it, and after that, when you go ahead over to your wallets right here, it should be listed. Okay, that is it. That is how you connect a bank account in Spendee. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.